Importance of building positive workplace culture. As the CEO needs to build a positive workplace culture. It's one of the most important parts of their job. A healthy corporate culture fosters productivity, creativity, and overall employee satisfaction. Let's explore how to build a productive corporate culture and its advantages. Review strategies for creating such a desirable environment. Identify signs of toxicity in your current company culture, and offer advice on how to avoid common pitfalls associated with negative work environments. As we navigate these topics, remember that responsibility for company culture extends from the CEO down to each individual employee. Building a positive workplace culture isn't just about meeting corporate culture change initiatives. It's about ensuring that every aspect of employees' day-to-day work life represents the desired ethos. What makes a successful workplace culture? A successful workplace culture is more than just about having a fancy office or great perks. Creating an atmosphere where employee experience is appreciated, esteemed, and spurred to give their utmost effort on a daily basis is vital for producing a thriving work environment. This thriving culture is key to a successful business, while an unsuccessful one can lead to struggles. Here are some of the factors at play. Leadership. Leadership sets the tone for how employees behave and interact with each other. They have the power to influence morale, engagement, and job satisfaction. Inclusive environments. An inclusive environment attracts top talent and fosters diversity and inclusion in teamwork and problem solving within your organization. Promoting growth and development. Companies that prioritize learning opportunities help employees develop new skills and prepare for future roles. Fostering collaboration and innovation. Cultivating collaboration and innovation leads to breakthrough products. In essence, these factors create workplaces where people love what they do because they're part of something bigger than themselves. Benefits of a positive work culture. Positive work culture is not just a catchphrase. When it is done right, it brings a host of benefits for employees and the company, such as increased employee engagement, better productivity levels, fewer conflicts among team members, lowers turnover rates. Employees stay in organizations where they feel respected and fulfilled professionally, better company reputation. How to build a positive culture in the workplace as the CEO. A positive workplace culture is crucial for your company's success. As CEO, you need to create and foster a positive work environment. Here are some strategies to consider. Set clear goals and expectations. Promote open communication. Create opportunities for innovation. Celebrate achievements big and small. Empower your employees. Create opportunities for growth. Invest in employee well-being. Remember, building a positive workplace culture takes time, but implementing these strategies consistently will create an environment where everyone feels valued and contributes to overall organizational success.
I'm offering a complimentary coaching session to CEOs. If you're accepted, you'll receive a one-on-one coaching session with me at absolutely no cost or obligation. Due to my current commitments, I'm only able to accept a modest number of requests for coaching. During the coaching session, we'll immediately go to work and address your highest priority challenges. You will walk away with ways to begin solving your biggest problems. And you'll get a sense for whether or not we're a fit for each other. To see if you qualify for this coaching session, visit the website currently showing on your screen, or click the link in the description below. Thank you.
Signs your company culture might be toxic. A positive company culture is crucial for success, but beware of signs that your workplace has turned toxic. Recognizing these warning signs early on can help you course correct before it is too late. Decreased employee engagement. When employees feel unappreciated, their motivation and productivity plummet. According to Gallup, disengaged employees cost companies billions due to lost productivity. High turnover rates. If your staff are fleeing, it's an obvious indication of a detrimental work environment. Poor communication. Ineffective communication breeds misunderstandings and resentment, hindering collaboration and teamwork. Lack of accountability. Avoiding accountability enables mistakes to go unchecked and performance standards to slip, contributing to a toxic work environment. To fix these issues, promote open dialogue and take action on feedback. Implement new policies and celebrate what works well to reinforce positive behaviors. As CEO, set the tone for a culture that reflects your values throughout the company. How to avoid creating a toxic company culture. As CEO, you possess the authority to form your business's atmosphere. Make sure it's not toxic. Here are some tips. Have clear communication. Don't neglect employee well-being. Recognition and appreciation. Don't neglect to express gratitude. Recognize and appreciate your employees' hard work. It goes a long way. Foster trust instead of fear. Empowerment over micromanagement. Remember, creating a positive company culture takes time and effort, but it's worth it for the success and happiness of your business and your people. FAQs in relation to building a positive workplace culture as the CEO. How does a CEO build culture? A CEO builds culture by setting clear expectations, modeling desired behaviors, and fostering an environment of open communication. They also need to consistently reinforce company values through their actions and decisions. How can leaders create a positive work culture? Leaders can create a positive work culture by promoting teamwork, encouraging innovation, recognizing employee achievements, and providing opportunities for growth. What role does a CEO play in an organization's culture? The CEO plays the most important role in shaping an organization's culture as they set the tone for behavior within the company. Their leadership style directly influences employees' attitudes and morale. Why should the CEO care about culture? A strong workplace culture drives engagement, fosters productivity, and impacts overall business performance positively. A poor culture creates turnover, low productivity, and ultimately a failed business. Avoid toxic company culture by being transparent, accountable, empathetic, and committed to continuous improvement. My name is Glenn Gao, love coaching CEOs, and want to help make you an even better CEO. Let's decide if we are a fit for each other. Schedule a time to talk with me, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.